and good evening to all of you. Welcome to my small YouTube channel again. So today guys, we will cook talong with egg. So we have here the talong na maliliit. So we have also the egg, tomato, onion, garlic, and we will put also the bells. So it makes color. So this is our recipe for today guys, for our lunch time. So before we start, we will cut everything and we will slice everything so that we can start to cook. So let's do it! See you! So natin i-slice yung ating mga gagamitin sa ating talong with egg. So ayun, mag-start na tayo magluto. Yan na yung pan natin guys. Ay garlic. Yung onion. Tomato. Lagyan na natin yung ating guys, paprika, garlic powder, lemon, ay, lagyan natin yung ating bells.